My name is Luke Cantola. I'm an adventure filmmaker and the co-founder of Wild Confluence Media. It's no coincidence that Wild Confluence was founded on the Pacific Crest Trail, where my film partner Colin and I met. I believe that in order for people to want to protect nature, they need to be connected to it. So Wild Confluence is about going into wild places, deep into nature, connecting with them, and then finding a way to share that experience through our cinematography. Preparing to go deep into the backcountry for a film trip requires a lot of gear preparation. Sometimes I carry up to 3 different cameras on my back, raft, or bike, depending on the trip. And that means we need a lot of batteries to keep the cameras rolling, because it's really all about hitting the trails and coming back with some awesome footage to show for it. And if we're on a bike trip, we've got to trick up our sleeves to keep our batteries charged. The Shutter Precision PD8 Dynamo Hubs allow us to plug directly into the momentum of our front wheel and generate the electricity we need to keep our cameras rolling and our lights on. These hubs allow me to avoid using fossil fuels to charge my gear. They allow me to go deeper into the woods through more gnarly terrain and still have the power left to capture things I wouldn't otherwise be able to. Champions of the Tour Divide and Trans Am bike races have used these hubs to charge their GPS devices. That's how I found out about Shutter Precision, and that's why I gave them a chance to power my gear.
Difference it makes not to feel the fear at all.